The hardest part for people who want to become vegan is skipping cheese and dairy products. Hello everyone, thank you so much for taking this course and welcome to the Vegan Cheese course. I'm Maricel. I'm a vegan chef and I offer cooking classes and food workshops to individuals who are interested to just implement more varieties into their diet. I personally have been vegan for over 8 years, and during this journey I have discovered so many beautiful ingredients, spices and herbs, and I just want to give you an idea on how to really beautifully create dishes effortlessly that are very tasty and also beneficial for your overall health. I want you to know how important it is to be conscious of your everyday food choices and to be aware of what you are implementing in your body and what the impact is environmentally and also health-wise. Knowing all those things gives you the freedom and power to choose food that is most beneficial for your body and also for our environment. In this course you will learn different kind of techniques and also different variations of cheeses.